Welcome back to Tutorials by David, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to stake crypto in Exodus wallet in 2026.
If you want to stake crypto in Exodus wallet in 2026, here's how to do it step by step. First, open your Exodus app and make sure you already have a supported crypto like ETH, Sol, Atom, or ADA in your wallet. Next, go to the Wallet tab and tap the asset you want to stake. Look for the Earn or Staking Rewards option. Tap it, then select Stake or Start Earning Rewards. Now, enter the amount you want to stake. Keep in mind that some assets require a minimum amount and may also charge small network fees. After that, review the details carefully, especially lockup periods because some coins can't be moved while they're staked. Confirm the transaction and your crypto will be delegated to a validator automatically. You'll start earning rewards depending on your network, sometimes within days. To check your earnings, just go back to the staking section anytime.